Welcome, Christmassy creatives. Today, we're having a go at one of my favorite Christmas activities ever. You are going to apply for a real job at the North Pole.
Yes!
Yes, Santa needs new elves, and you could be perfect for the job. But first, you need to fill in a North Pole job application form, and Santa will only hire elves who show imagination, effort, and creativity. So, sharpen your pencils, warm up your writing hands, and let's get started. Teachers, you can print out the free worksheet linked below to help your pupils to nail this task. Let's dive into step 1. Choose your elf name. Pick a magical, funny, or clever elf name. Bonus point if it sounds Christmassy, matches your personality, and uses alliteration. I'm going to call myself Sparkle Snow Dance, but here are some more ideas for you to pause and look at while you think of yours. Turbo Tinsel, Galadriel Gladrags, Buddy Bells, Twinkle Toes. Step 2. Choose your department. Decide which part of the North Pole you want to work in. There are lots of departments at the North Pole, not just toy making. Choose the department you want to work in. You can be as imaginative as you like. Here are some ideas to help you out. Reindeer Training Department, Gingerbread Kitchen, Wrapping Paper and Ribbon Design Lab, Sleigh Engineering Workshop, Snowflake Quality Control Team, Elf Choir and Carol Department, Magical Mail Sorting Office, or Lights and Decorations Crew. Your department can be completely made up. Pause here and decide which station you would like to work at. Step 3. Invent your elf skills. Come up with 3 imaginative, magical, or silly skills that make you the perfect candidate for that department. These can be completely made up. The more creative, the better. Here are some examples of skills I might list if I wanted to work in the Reindeer Training Department. I can speak fluent reindeer. My nickname is the Reindeer Whisperer. I am an expert in Arctic wind, and I don't mean freezing cold farts. I can sense when sudden snow gusts, icy breezes, or blizzards are coming and calmly guide the reindeer to safer skies. I have hoof-step coordination expertise, meaning I can teach reindeer to trot, prance, leap, and land in perfect rhythm with each other, even when they're overexcited. Step 4. Write your job application. Now put it all together. Write a short elf job application letter using your elf name, your chosen department and why you want to work there, your magical or comical skills, and a bonus sentence about why Santa should hire you. I'll show you my example application to help you along the way. But first, please show the channel some love by hoofing the like and subscribe buttons. Okay, here it is. Dear Santa, my name is Sparkle Snow Dance, and I'm writing to apply for a position in the Reindeer Training Department. I've always adored animals and believe I would be a strong and sparkly addition to your training team. I can speak fluent reindeer, which means I can help young reindeer feel understood and supported. I am also an expert in Arctic wind. I can sense storms before they arrive, helping guide the herd to safe and calm flight paths. Finally, I have hoof-step coordination expertise, so I can teach every reindeer to leap and land in perfect formation. I am patient, cheerful, and excellent at handing out carrot-based encouragement. I would love to help raise the next generation of sleigh-pulling heroes. Thank you for considering my magical application. Yours merrily, Sparkle Snow Dance. Finally, you can add a little picture to make your application beautiful. Maybe a drawing of your elf badge, your favorite North Pole snack, or a festive elf portrait. Get it? So, sharpen those pencils, sparkle up your imagination, and get applying. Good luck, future elves!